Hello friends, I am Amit Kumar Bhuyan. So I am here to do some questions related to computer programming. We will use Codeforces for the same. Okay, let me first share my screen. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, so here are we. As you can see that it is a website called ProgwareFun. It is a very good website where you can get problems according to the questions. So here you can see problem set and you get various topics serial wise. So there are 207 entries. Oh my god. So let's do. So we will start with sums and asymptotics. So here is the first question. Soldier and bananas. Hmm. Let's read the question. A soldier wants to buy W bananas in the shop. He has to pay K dollars for the first banana, 2K dollars for the second banana. Okay, first let me do one thing. Let me share desktop. Okay, so everything visible. Okay, I think it is visible. So a soldier wants to buy W bananas in the shop. He has to pay K dollars for the first banana, 2K dollars for the second one, and so on. In other words, he has to pay I into K dollars for the ith banana. He has N dollars. How many dollars do we have to borrow from his friend soldier to buy W bananas? So let's see what question is saying. It says that a soldier wants to buy W bananas. Okay. No, there are W bananas in the shop. From let's number it from 1, 2, 3, dot 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 W bananas. So he says that he has to pay K dollars for the first banana, K, 2K for the second, like 2W for the last banana, and so on. He has to pay IK dollars for the eighth banana. So here it has given generalized way. Like for ith banana, it has to give IK dollars. Now he has $7. He has N dollars. How many dollars we have to borrow from his soldier to buy W bananas? So it is telling that you have N dollars plus we borrow some X rupees. Okay, so that we can buy W bananas. So for buying W bananas, what we need? K dollars plus 2K plus dot 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 dot. Oh, sorry, here it is WK. So we need WK dollars. So here, if we take K in common, what we see, you can easily see that it is sum of natural numbers. 1 plus 2 plus till K. Sorry, till W. Let me correct it. W. So you know sum of natural numbers we have studied in our 10th class, 12th class. Now K into W into W plus 1 upon 2. We are given n plus x. So we can easily find out x. So let me clear the screen. Now we can see that input. You should read this first because this is very important. You should see the constants, and we can assume the time in which we have to do time complexity. So here we are given three integers k, n, and w. Now let me in my id. Wait a second. Okay, so now see, I have set up my IDE. So let me delete it all. So what we have given? We have given two inputs. Let n k comma n comma w. Now we have to take the input with scene and w. Now what we need? We have given the equation n plus x is equal to k into w into w plus 1 upon 2. So here let's talk about x. Now if we have more amount of money, then we will get x as negative. Okay, now if we get x as negative, as you know, we cannot need negative money, so we'll do it 0. So we can take maximum of x comma 0. So let's do our logic. Hint x into k into w into w plus 1 upon 2. So now here we have taken this input in int format, so it will automatically take the floor value. Floor value, you know, when we round off into one before the number before it. So here let me bracket it out, minus n. So now see out max of x comma 0 and l. Now let's take the input. Okay, so here we are getting our sample test is correct. Now let's submit it. Okay, let's submit it here. Okay, so it's accepted now. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next video.